Hello again, it's Noob, and as you know, I like to answer the questions which nobody really asks. You might have seen a recent review of this multi-pick Artemis electric lockpick, and it's a very effective, very nice, very premium lockpicking tool. Some people said it looks a bit like a lightsaber handle. I think it looks a little bit like a really, really brutal electric toothbrush. Then it got me thinking, well, electric toothbrushes have been made into electric lockpicks before, many times, by lots of different people. I chose this particular model of electric toothbrush because I recently saw a video from Jolly Peanut. I'll link to Jolly Peanut's video below, and they use this particular model, so I thought I'd get the same because I know it works. And I was thinking, okay, so we know that electric toothbrushes make pretty good electric picks. Maybe they don't last very long, they're not very durable, but would an electric pick that looks a bit like a toothbrush make a good toothbrush? And, well, there's only one way to find out. First, we need to make an electric lockpick out of this, and then we need to make an electric toothbrush out of this. Okay, right. First up, let's actually have a look at this electric toothbrush. Let's try and get it out of the packet and see what it's like as is. There we go. Oh, that's quite powerful. I didn't expect that. Let's listen to them both together. I'll lessen the volume if I need to. That actually sounds like the same frequency. Okay, we're on to a winner here. Now, the thing is I happen to know that in these electric toothbrushes, the rod that goes in here doesn't oscillate side to side. It goes round and around. While in an EPG, this only goes one direction, up and down. You can restrict the movement and increase the movement, so you can see it a bit better here. But it only goes up and down, it doesn't go round and round. So I'm wondering whether, if I just put a tip on the EPG, I can get a replaceable head of an electric toothbrush and see whether I can make the bristles go round and round. Let's try that first. Here's some cheap and cheerful replaceable brush heads, so let's get into this. Let's stick the tip up inside and see if we can get the head to rotate. No, I'll rotate it round. No, that's not working, and I think it's because it isn't oscillating. It's just going up and down. So we know we can't get the head to oscillate just by using the electropick. But what I did do is I glued the head of one of these on, and I think I've got a plan. Oh yeah. So now we need to know, can I pick a lock with the electric toothbrush pick, and can I brush some teeth with my electric lockpick? First we need a baseline, so let's pick this padlock using the electric pick. Very quick. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's give it a go. There's not a lot of torque in this, but I'll give it another shot. That absolutely did not work out as I had expected, so let's try it on an even easier lock. Let's see if I can get an open on this one. Oh, there we go. So just needed a really, really easy lock. And now let's brush our teeth. So I've got the electric toothbrush, I've got some toothpaste. Let's see how effective this is. I imagine that it's going to be pretty good. Ready? Let's go. And open wide. Get the molars, brush on the inside. I mean, yeah, seems to be pretty good. But is the Electro-Pick better at brushing teeth? Let's find out. Okay, big blob of toothpaste, and let's go. Open wide. So there you go. I think you'll find that the results are actually pretty good. I would say that the Electro-Pick does make a slightly better toothbrush than the toothbrush makes an Electro-Pick. This is the service that I'm providing everybody. This is good science. I would caveat that you should not try any of what I've done in this video, especially converting a really expensive electric pick into a toothbrush. That's just something you don't want to be doing. I've probably broken all sorts of parts of that warranty agreement. Anyway, I really hope you found that fun. I mean, these toothbrush electric picks, they sort of work, but I mean, they're so underpowered, but they kind of work. So, you know, who am I to judge? But yeah, just don't do this. All right. If you like this video, leave a like. If you have any comments, please leave them below. I'll read them all, reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to see more content like this. And of course, I'll see you all next time.